Hello and welcome to Lua Lesson 6. In this lesson we're just going to be covering loops. Okay, so we're going to go in basically the order of use. We're going to go from the, well, not most useless, but the one you're not going to use as much to the one you're going to use a lot. So let's start with the most, well, with the one you won't use, which is the repeat until loop. So all you do is you type repeat, and then whatever you want it to repeat, so just print hello. So it's going to print hello for however many times we're going to do. So until our condition is true. So until I is greater than 5. And not I as in I am a person. I is in the variable I. So I equals 0. So I is 0. We're saying repeat printing hello until I is greater than 5. At the moment, that's just going to go on forever. It's just going to go hello, hello, hello. It's still not 5. Hello, 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 hello. So what we're going to do is we're going to do what's called incrementing. And we're going to add 1 to I every time we go around the loop. So I, oops, little I equals I plus 1. So this should now spit it out 5 times. There we go. There's all of our hellos. And then that's pretty much it. You can change conditions, you can do numbers. It'd be a bit pointless with numbers because numbers can't actually change value. So that'd do it forever because 3 is never going to be greater than 5. I mean, what you can also do, and what's quite common, is actually printing I. So if we just go back to what it was, so then it can actually print the numbers that we do. And then if you run that, it's going to print through the numbers. Okay, so the next type of loop is the while loop. And what you do is you just type while, and then your condition. So I is greater than, no, sorry, while. This is while, it's logic. So while I is less than 5, do, and then what we want it to do, so print hello end, and then we can just create a variable I, and there you go. It's just gonna print out our hellos. Oh no, it's not, we forgot to increment it. I equals I plus 1. There we go, that should work better. Here we go, here's our hellos. Now, well, that's pretty much the while loop. I mean, they're all pretty simple loops. This is going to be a pretty simple lesson, really. So we're just creating a variable. It's saying while it's less than 5, do this. And then, so it goes, okay, let's add 1 to it. It's now 1, still not less than 5. Sorry, still not more than 5. Continue, continue to continue, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now the for loop. This is the loop. This is the loop you're going to use most often. So you just type for, and then you can actually make the variable here. I equals 1, 5. Do print hello end. There we go. Hello, 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 hello. 5 times, because what we're basically doing is you do the variable 1, I equals 1, sorry, the variable I, and then you just go in, right, I'm going to do it 5 times, comma 5, and it goes, okay, we'll increment it for you. So what we could do is if we output I, see that it does count up, because I is actually incremented for us by the for loop. And this is probably why you're going to use the for loop the most, because it's the simplest, it's the quickest, and it's just the easiest way to do loops. Okay, so that concludes this lesson. Have a nice day.